Hi, my name is Greg Reynolds, and I'm the Vice President of Operations for Stratasys Direct. So we have 7 sites around the United States and employ about 400 people. We run 9 different technologies, primarily additive and some conventional technologies, to try to offer a full portfolio for our customers from inception through final manufacturing. We have a portfolio of 9 different product offerings, including additive and conventional. In Texas, we have selective laser sintering, we have multi-jet fusion, and we have our new SAF selective absorption fusion technology. Additionally, we have additive metals in our Texas locations.
Post-processing is incredibly important for a lot of our customers. It's not just the part that they're printing. They want to be able to use it immediately in whatever end-use application they might have. We have a lot of different post-processing equipment for all of our technologies. We have a full paint booth, tumbler, hand sanding, and the DyeMansion workflow with a PowerShot C, PowerShot S, and DM60. So we have standard black, but we're also really excited to now offer purple, green, and blue as a standard option for our SAF parts, with the ability to also do any of the other additional colors on request. We're really excited about the opportunity to bring these parts from a standard black part that just blends in to a real colorful, bright part that can stand out in any end-use application.
We partnered up with DyeMansion to bring in some of their products, the PolyShot C, which can handle at least 90% of the geometries that we push through our SAF equipment, thereby reducing our labor costs a lot. Additionally, when we brought in the DyeMansion, we saw a significant increase in consistency of the quality of our dye. Then if you want a nice sheen on the part to really bring it into very, very close, as close as we have an additive to conventional manufacturing products, you can run it through the PowerShot S to give it that really nice smooth finish. And so very little labor, and so I think it's a really good fit. It's a really good partnership between the SAF technology and the DyeMansion technology.